So our first batch is done. I'll now serve it here like this. So this is done and dusted. Look at it. We keep it aside and continue our washing and cutting. That is how we are going to do them. That is live. You know, live something you don't need to do some shortcut. There is no shortcut in live stream. Yeah. There is no shortcut in live stream. So we are going to continue cutting our veggies. I'm just washing it the second time. The first one I washed with salt. Then the second one washing with without salt, like rinsing it very nice. This is green coal. They are just joining now. I have 2 packets of green coal and also 2 packets of spinach. I will wash it very properly, cut them and packet them. And just watch. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this after cutting. You know. Do you know that we do also buy the vegetable they cut in the market and freeze it? You can as well freeze your own. If you want, you can eat it now. Depends on how you want it. So this is fresh. I'm going to use some today and also going to keep some for next time. This is so fresh. Spinach and green coal. If you know what is green coal in English, please type, let me know. Thank you so much for the like. If you know the name of green coal in English, please, I would like to know. I don't know the name. I know it only in Dutch, but later I may use my dictionary and check what it is called in English. Green coal. Green coal used to be a little bit hard. Guys, I have premiere today by 6:30. If you're around, just join. I made a wonderful, delicious fried rice. And you see how I prepare this fried rice. Yeah, so there are a lot of little ways you can prepare fried rice. I showed you only one way. Maybe next time I will upload the second way you can as well do it in a easier way. So we finished cutting the second batch. We're going to add it here. If you are still watching, please say something now. Just talk to me. You can't be watching only without saying something. Say something to me. Let me do some